Okay boss, let me start with the application. Right click here, create new SQL Server database. Now it is expecting me some database name. So I'm adding what was SQL Express, SQL Express, SQL Express. Create new DB, my project. Okay, project. Just hit the OK. When you hit the OK, the appropriate database will be created. Shut down this fan. Now my project DB is ready now. My project DB is ready now. In this project DB, now just check it here. Right click, add new table. Here you have to create the table. Now after creating the table, we need some attributes, boss. We need some attributes. Fine guys. So here attributes are, let me take some attributes like some attributes as per my requirement. So for taking example, I'm going for student information system. Okay, student information system. So here let me add student name, name of the student. Okay, yes name, yes name. Let me go for varchar of 50. Next let me go for address, yes add, yes add. Let me go for varchar of 50. Let me go for again phone number, phone in the case of int. Here I need to have int. Next I need to go for semester or year. Okay, or I can call same, semester in the form of int. Next let me add one more table, branch, branch, branch in the case of varchar, half and off varchar of suppose 50 boss. Let me save, hit the save button, and I give the table name as the student. My table is ready, boss. My table is ready now. Now for next, let me create one new project. File menu, new project. Now here in this new project, what I will do, I will create Windows form application. Sorry, Visual C Sharp. Let me minimize this one. Visual C Sharp, Windows and Windows form application. Let me give here student project. Okay, just hit OK. Now when you hit the OK, okay boss, my form is ready now. My form is ready now. In this form, what I want to do, I want to add some properties. The properties like, or the attributes like, let me have some labels. Let me go to my toolbox. So I am in toolbox now. So toolbox. Now let me take some labels. I need 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 labels. I need 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay boss. Now let me hold this label. Let me drag into my let me arrange in proper order. And this is label 1 for the label of your image. And let me arrange these labels properly. So here is one label. Let me add these labels to here. So label 1 2 3 4 5. So these are the labels, and here label 4 boss. Okay, and here let me change the label information. Let me go to my text. So where is the text? So here is the text. Let me remove the text. Here let me add student information. Okay, CSMSS Chhatrapati Shahu College of Engineering. Okay, Aurangabad. So after adding these components, let me change the font and height and width. So here when I comes here, let me apply bold and modern 20 and size is suppose 16. Okay, 16 18. Okay boss, fine. Let me put off here. Fine, this is ready now. My form is ready now. What I want to do, just let me select this form and let me make it bigger. Okay boss, fine. Let me change the color to this form is a foreground color. I want to change web color and go to custom color. I want to give like a reddish. Okay, and so font somewhat I'm expecting somewhat more than 20 plus. So here let me go for 22. Okay boss, fine. Okay boss, So let me select all the labels and let me drag to somewhat bottom, because I need to give one more label here. I need one more label. So here label, and this label information is what, boss? So let me keep the label and change the text of my label is what, boss? Here student information, student information. Fine, boss. Under the student information, again I had to changing some height and width, some colorful, because you won't be agree that if I keep as it is. Let me go for Times New Roman. Times New Roman. Oh, again font size suppose 16. Okay, student information, let me make it as a blue, some different color as a foreground color. I'm going to custom color, and here I'm selecting as a blue color. Okay, boss. Fine. Now label, this label is what, was student name of the student. So here student name. Fine. Next here let me add let me go to here student name. After the student name I want to insert what, was next address. After address let me insert what, was let me change here phone number. Phone number. Next let me change here what, was here let me proceed for semester or year. Semester or year. Next let me change here branch, branch. Okay, boss, branch. And here I want to apply this label for search. Okay, search the student from data grid view. If you want to apply the search the student instead of search the student by name. Okay, and just change the property. In this case let me give some different color. So here some font I want to change, because I want to make it as bold, and some size is supposed 12. Okay, boss. Fine. Now it is somewhat visible to you, and I want to make my form somewhat bigger. Okay, boss. Fine. My form is ready now. Now here I need some text boxes. So here is text box, boss. So here is text box. So this text box I took. Let me drag and drop. Let me hold this text box and keep it here. Come on, boss. Text box, change the event. Now this event is fired. So let me remove the event from both sides. So actually let me go to my designer. This is not required to me. So here is my designer, and let me search for that event where that event is fired. So where is my text box 1. So I remove that event. So this definitely now here text is changed now. So let me remove this event. By mistake it was placed. I hit the double click. So let me hold this one. Let me drag to here. After dragging to here, let me make it as a somewhat bigger name. Now next I need one more text box, boss. I need one more text box. Second, I need one more. Third, fourth, and fifth. So let me hold all this form load. Okay, this form load event is required, but not currently. I will use later on. So designer also not required. Let me go to my design part, and let me select all these text boxes. Let me drag and drop and place into my required place. So here I'm placing, boss. So here let me hold this one branch. So branch is not required. For the branch case, text box is not required. I need that drop down. So let me delete that branch text box. So here this text box is not required to me, because I need their list box or combo box. Okay, we'll use list box or combo box, boss. So here also let me select 1, 2 and 3. Let me change the width. So this is the width I am expecting here for all. So after this I want to change the height. So somewhat height also I want to increase. So to increase the height I can use, so here it is not showing. I think I have to increase one by one. Okay, leave it. this will make as a multi text box. So I need what boss? One combo box. So list box is not there, combo box is there. I want combo box. So here is combo box boss. Here is combo box. So shall I go for gender based also? Huh? Do you want gender also? If you want gender means form will increase, that's it, nothing. I had to remove the table and again I had to add. Label 6 clicked. Again I had to remove this event. These are unnecessary stuffs. Go to again your designer and remove that added label 6 event. These are the issues may arise because if you by mistakenly if you double click or in hurry buddy if you double click, that event may rise and that event is not useful to you. So at that time you have to remove, your responsibility is to remove what was that event. So where is that event? I'm not able to find. Let me find. Here is level 6 is the event. So I removed boss. So now this is my design. This is my design. Okay boss. Now in this design I need some buttons. Shall I go all the operation for insert, update, delete, search on a single page or multi-page? Single page also okay, multi-page also okay. Why? Because if you go for multiple pages, you have to add multiple pages, you have to design these things multiple times. Are you getting what I mean to say? So because of that reason, my intention is to proceed for single page. I will go for MD also, will go for login also, but initially I don't want to go for login. Why? Because if I go for login initially only, every time when I execute I have to login. And that takes much more time, 1 or 2 minutes time for every operation. To overcome that one, I am not going for initial login, directly I am going for operation. And this will add into MDI, and MDI will add into login. At last, not currently, okay? Fine boss. Okay boss. CSMS, Chhatrapati Shahu College of Engineering, Aurangabad. Fine, student information. Now here I need one more text box boss. Here I need one more text box for search. Now here I need the event. That event is what boss? Text change the event, na? Text change the event. What is the text box ID? Text box 5, na? Text box 1, text box 2, 3, 4, and this is combo box 1. So here I will go for some insert update button boss. Insert, where is the button? I think button has come at the up. 1 button, 2 button, 3 button, and 4 button. I took 4 button boss for insert, update, delete, select. What are the operations you want to perform or reset also? Let me keep all the buttons here. So is button. Here is one more button. Here is one more button. Okay. And here is one more button boss. Fine boss. Okay. And just I'm changing the label of this button. First let me go for new. When you hit the new form should load. Means new, all fields should be clear. Reset or new boss. Next term. Instead of this new, let me use new or reset. Fine. I had to change the width. And here let me go for what boss? Let me add here what boss? Insert. Let me proceed for here what boss? Update. And here I need delete. Okay boss, fine. Let me change somewhat width. Okay boss, all should look same. That is my intention. Fine boss. When the form gets loaded, what I have to do boss? Form gets loaded. This initially will get all the empty fields and branch should select. Na? Okay. So first of all, let me add some static branch here. Even you can retrieve from branch from the database table also. So I am going for here computer science. Okay. Next term electronics. Next term mechanical. Next term civil and electrical. electrical. Okay, boss. Just okay, fine. I added all these first. I added all these items in my combo box one. What I have to do when the form gets loaded? When the form gets loaded, so what I have to do was when the form gets loaded, I have to load all. This is phone I think so. Instead of the phone, I have to go for student. Where is student? This is also phone. Button new. Let me vanish के लौटा बेटा. I think I vanished. Okay, let me go for this side. Okay, boss, fine. First, when the form one gets loaded, what I have to do? First, let me try this one. Let me try. Now, build started, and this is your form, boss. This is your form now. Okay. Now, anything. Now, what are the operations you are doing? What are the operations you are doing here? Now here, search. You have to insert. Sorry, you have to reset. You have to insert. You have to delete, and you have to update, boss. These operations you have to perform. Fine. So here the spell mistake was there. Fine, boss. Now let me proceed for now button insert. Let me proceed for button insert, or let me go for new. So double hit. When you hit this one, what I want to do? I want to clear all the fields. I want to clear all the fields, boss. So how can I clear? Whatever the text, how many text boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4. Okay. Next, what I have to do? These 4, and search box is also there. Okay, fine. So let me go to my form. So text box 1 dot text dot text. Okay, text you can assign as what was empty null, or you may say, sir, how can you call this? Is internally calling as a this. Internally it is calling as a this by using this keyword. Okay, so next this dot, either you call with this or without this also you can possible. Next text box 2 dot text. I am assigning at what, boss? I am assigning as empty. ठीक है? Okay, boss. Next text box 3 dot text is equal to empty, boss. Next text box 4 dot text is equal to empty, boss. Fine. Now next, let me go for text box. One more text box is there. For whom, boss? For search, text box dot text is equal to empty, and I have to give the index to the 0 also. So actually I give the index as from first to 1 here. When you check this one, when you select is this one. Okay, first index should be empty, na? So what I give first? Computer science, na? So to avoid this one, I will use blank. I will use empty now. Now see here. Now it will start from 0. It will start from 0. Now combo box 1 dot selected index is there. Combo box is selected index set as a -1. Set as a -1. It will go to less than 0. It will go to less than 0, boss. So let me launch this one. Now here I am entering some data. Boss. Suppose here I entered Mahesh. Next here address is Kanchanwadi. Next phone number is, suppose take an example, 9876543210. Next here I am entering semester is what, was? Semester is third semester, third year. Now branch is what, was? Now here let me select the drop down. Now here is computer science. When you hit the new or reset, it will show it reset. It is resetted now. Next we will proceed for insert now. We will proceed for insert, boss. Now in the case of insert, let me go to my design and double hit the insert button. At that time what will happen? Button to click will perform. Here what I have to do? Now let me use the try catch block, because this may throw the exception. as per the industry standard, let me use the try catch block, because so here is try, so here is try, and under this try, so here I need catch, here I need catch. So now in this try block, what I will do, first of all, let me gather the connection. First of all, let me gather the connection. So how can I get the connection, boss? When now connection is useful for insert, connection is useful for update, connection is useful for delete, connection is useful for search, right, boss? Everything, na? To overcome that one, instead of using connection, instead of writing the connection every time, what I will do, I will make as a global. Here only I will write. Are you getting, boss? So what I will do? System dot data dot SQL client. So I use boss. Next up, let me use SQL connection. New SQL connection of, okay, double click. Now what I will do, let me go to my server explorer. ज्यांना कोणाला बसण्याची इच्छा नसेल ते जाऊ शकता. Okay, now let me go to my connection, let me go to my database. Now right click, properties. When you go to properties, you will find one connection string here, boss, data source string. So use this data source string as the connection string. Home, shift end, control C and paste here, boss. Control V, move to here. Now here what I will do, okay, boss, fine. Now I added connection now. Now what I will do, my connection is ready. My connection is ready now. Okay, boss, fine. Now I will open or remove from my appropriate method now. That is secondary now. That is secondary. Fine, boss. Here what I will do, let me open the connection first. Con dot open. So my connection is ready now. My connection is ready. What I will do next, get the SQL command. Get the SQL command, boss. So here SQL command sc is equal to new SQL command of. Now fire your query. Fire your query, boss. What do you want to do? You want to insert, na? You want to insert. There are two ways. Take all the properties in one by one. Okay. Take all the properties one by one. Wrap and store into database. Otherwise, take all the control components from the database. Take all the control components from the database. Fine. After taking all the control components from the database, what we will do? Hold into string variable and pass the string variable into query. Two ways, guys. Whichever you will feel comfort, you can proceed. So here string. What are the variable names? Name. Student name, na? Name is equal to text box. Text box 1 dot text. Fine. Next string. Name string. add is equal to text box 2 dot text. Fine. Next here, what should you do? You can apply toString also if you're not feeling comfort with the given things. Okay, boss. Let me apply here also toString, because I want to convert into string. Because there I gone for varchar. I create a table as a varchar, boss. Now after this, what I will do? I need one more string. What is the form value? I need phone number, na? Okay, boss. So here let me go to my phone number, string phone, assignment operator, text box 3 dot text dot toString. Now I have to typecast. So here int iPhone, int phone. Okay. So what I'll do, int 32 or parse of. What I will do here, I will pass phone. I will pass the phone, boss. Fine. Next, what is the property name? Now here text box 1, text box 2, text box 3. Semester is also in integer format, na? So semester. Let me take the semester name. So here string. Let me take the string here also. Now here. So here string. I need same or year. Okay. Yeah, put it. Arrange करती हुई भैया. font वाढवायचा. Okay boss. Now here semester, let me go for text box 4 dot text dot to string boss. Here I convert into to string. Let me take into isem. So here string not string. Let me take int isem. So here I semester I am converting into string into integer. Let me take int 32 dot parse of what I will do here. I will pass as a same. Here I will pass as a same. Now next I have to get the value from text box also. Sorry, com box also. Okay. I have to get the category. I have to get the value from com box also, na. So here let me get the string value. String 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 dot I need to go for branch now. So here branch assignment operator combo box dot you can apply selected item dot to string. So this is the selected item boss. Fine. So before proceeding to this connection, I want to display all the values in message box. Okay, first don't go for directly everybody. So first show all the values in a message box. Is it appearing or not? Is it appearing or not, boss? Fine. So here I need double quote, and here I want some space. First I want to display what, boss? Let me take this one, Control C. Let me remove here. I want to display the name. Okay, Control V, Control check. I want to display the name here. So check it here. Name is coming or not? Next Control V. I want to display what, boss? I want to display next address. I want to display the next address. So here is ADD. Next what I need, boss? Again I need phone. iPhone I need. iPhone. Okay. So here again iPhone. After iPhone I need what, boss? Isem and branch. Okay. I need semester. Semester is what, boss? Here is isem. Next I need what, boss? Branch. So here is branch, boss. Branch, and here I'll go for branch. So here is branch. Okay, fine, boss. When you click on this one, I want to perform the operation, boss. Fine. There are some errors it is showing. Show me the errors. Array, without any error gone. How? A class type expected. Okay. That. Let me stop the execution because I gone for try and catch block. For the time being. Let me comment these lines and remove all the stuff in the try. Okay, boss. Fine. Let me start again. Okay, boss. Fine. So what I'm trying to do, I'm entering some name. Yogesh, address Abad, next phone number 9876543210. Next semester year 3rd, and the branch is CSC. Branch is computer science. Insert. It is telling that it cannot parse. So it is taking that, it is asking me that number. What is the number you took? That number may not be compatible. So what should I do, was I have to convert into long, boss. Fine. So it is not convertible. So let me convert into long, boss. So here I need to use long. Okay, long iPhone is equal to assignment operator int 64 dot parse of. What I will do, was I'll pass here what, was I'll pass phone. Now let me try again. Now I enter, suppose Raju address Abad, next 9876543210. Next semester 3rd. Next branch. What is the branch you have selected? This is the branch, and click on hit the insert. Okay. Name is Raju, address is Abad, phone is, semester is, branch, and fine. Everything is coming, boss. Fine, boss. Means my data is working properly. I can able to parse and there without any errors. Now I need SQL command. in this SQL command, I want to fire the query. I want to fire the query for insert. So let me add the query. So here insert. If you're not interested to add the query here, what I'll do, I'll take one more parameter. So let me remove this comment all the point unnecessary things. So in this SQL command, so here, what should I do now? I need one string query. So it's good practice to take separate string QRY. String query is equal to, now insert into student values. Now the problem may rise, guys. Here I took the table definition. If I go for show table data, for the phone I took the column name as int. That int may not be enough. That int may not be enough for the long. Okay, so that issue may rise. We'll change for, or we'll go for different queries. Now student values. What are the values you want to pass, boss? I want to pass first name, but that is in the form of what, boss? That is in the form of varchar, na? So let me add here. So single quote is required here, and here also single quote, and here I need what, boss? Name. Okay, next comma, I need what, boss? Let me go to my all the properties. So here again single quote are required. Next I need what, boss? Here add. Next again I need single quote, comma. Okay, again I need single quote here for what, boss? Phone. Next is iPhone is there, so I don't need any single quote here. So let me remove the single quote from here, and let me remove the single quote from here. Let me add here what, boss? iPhone added. Next I need to add what, boss? Semester also in the form of integer number. Okay, next let me add what, boss? Comma. Next I need to work with here same. Same or same? I think so. Same. Next comma. Next what I have to do? Let me add. Next what is the next? Branch, na? Next is branch, right? So here is branch, boss. Or just verify the single quote and double quote. Single quote name, comma, single quote address, single quote, next comma, next phone, comma, semester, comma, single quote, next branch, single quote. Okay, boss, my query is right now. Now I have to pass the query here, QRY. I pass the query and I have to pass one more parameter. What is that parameter? Connection. I pass connection, boss. Now what I have to do? Next, let me proceed for now here. My executing the query, boss. So here sc dot execute what, boss? Execute non-query. So execute non-query. This non-query will bring number of records affected. So I hold into int I. So I hold into I, boss. I want to show message box dot show how many records are inserted. Okay, fine, boss. So here what should show? Record inserted or student registered. Fine, one student registered. So let me go for here I plus. Okay, who is registered, boss? What's their name? Let me give a name. Okay, student registered. Fine, boss. So if I is greater than or equal to 1 only, if I is greater than or equal to 1 only, if I is greater than or equal to 1 only, else failed. Else, let me write here, not inserted. 0 negative value means what, boss? Not inserted, na? So here student not registered. Student is not registered successfully, boss. Registration failed. Okay, fine boss. Student registered successfully. So here, fine boss. So what should I do next term? Let me enable my try and catch block, and let me go to catch block. So here in the catch block, let me handle the exception here. What is the exception? So here, exception. Let me add E here. Okay, and let me display the message in message box. So here one extra brackets. So here delete. So I want to display those exceptions in my message box. If an exception rise, just display that exception in my message box. So let me hold this message box, Control C, and here Control V, so that student error is okay. Let me go for E dot toString. Fine boss. E dot toString. Fine. It is showing that system. E is a predefined constant. E is a predefined constant, because that is when it was showing the error. Now let me run now. Let me check will work properly or not. So I want to insert. Whom should I insert? The last name open करणार कोण आहे? आता open करणार. नाव काय तुझं? अक्षय. ती यागाव मुलगा. Akshay. Address is Kanchanwadi. Next is phone number 987654. Next is semester and year what was? Third. Okay. Branch is what was? Computer science. And hit the insert. One student registered successfully. Whose name is what was? Akshay. Whose name is Akshay boss. And when it insert, it should clear automatically, na? It should clear automatically. Automatically it is clearing now. I mean to say, when the insertion successfully, I have to hit the new or reset button, na? So after inserting, it should clear it should clear what was? It should clear all what was that text fields and components. So what I will do? Let me call here. Let me check in my database. Is it registered successfully or not? Show table data. Akshay Kanchanwadi, some number, semester and computer science. Okay, fine boss. Let me remove this one. Let me go to my now insert. Now when I hit the insert, after this insert, I will call this method. Which method boss? This button click. What I am calling here? Button click I am calling boss. So here button click I am calling. Are you getting what I mean to say? मी काय प्रयत्न करतो समजतंय का नाही समजतंय? Do you clear? Now just check it here. I want to insert one more. So here Pramod address is so here semester fourth, branch mechanical. Insert one student registered successfully. It is clear automatically. Fine boss. Just verify. Go to your database. Refresh boss. Execute SQL. Can you see here 2 records? Okay boss. Let me proceed for now my update. Double click. Update event is there. Update. Now it needs update. After this update, what I want to do? I want to update the record. Boss. Fine. So let me proceed for the same. Just copy and paste. Same. But before updating, what I want to do, how they can update boss? How can you update? There are 2 ways, guys. You have to enter all the information. After entering all the information, may the student name exist or may not exist. To overcome that one, I will use one data grid view here. I will use one data grid view. I will display all the elements in data grid view. If that is selected, if you select on that any item of selected items, this value will place in these items. And then update or change or delete. Are you getting, boss, what I meant to say? Samajh kya? So first let me add one data grid view. Let me add the data grid view, boss. Means let me change somewhat form height. Okay, boss, here I want to keep my data grid view. So let me go to my toolbox and search for data grid view in the data grid view. Can you see here, boss? Okay, so I drag and drop. Data grid view is appearing now. Okay, boss, fine. Edit the columns now. Edit the columns. Now what are the columns are there? Now select the columns. You want to add the column now, so use the column names. Use the column names. What are the columns you want to add, boss? I want to add the columns now. What are the columns names? Tell me. Here is name. Here is name. Header text, I want to give as name. Add. Next, which second column, boss? What do you want to add next? Address. Next, address. Okay, fine, boss. Address. Third column, what, boss? Phone number. Phone. Okay, next I want to add phone. Next, add. What do you want to add next? Semester or year. Here not a valid because here I used okay, I'll remove. Next, here same. Next, add. Next, what, boss? Branch. BRANCH. Next, what I want to do? I want to add branch. Branch. Add, boss. Close. Okay. Okay. Now it contains all the information, boss. So let me increase the width now. Can you see here? Okay. When you select this one like this item, the data should appear here. It should get the name, address, phone, semester, branch, and should appear in the text boxes. Means you need not edit, you need not modify, you need not edit, boss. So I want to add these items into my data grid view. Into my data grid view when the form is loaded. When the form is loaded, boss. Fine. So here, show data grid view. Okay, boss. I want to link. When the data grid view gets selected, I want to create one common method. That common method name is what, boss? Wide show. Wide show, boss. Now here what I will do in the show method, I will take all the record. I will fill into directly also there by using SQL connection. By using SQL data reader, you can add all the connections, boss. Fine. मी ते पण करू शकतो directly. Look at here. When I go to design, just select here, add data source. Here is the data source. Select the data source. Add data source. This is also possible, boss. But I don't want to go in this way. That already we have done in the lab. Okay. Learn something today differently. Now, fine. Let me go to my show method. Why I am using the show method as a common method? Because when you update, then also you have to update. Then also you have to change what, boss? The data grid view. When you insert, when you update, then also it will then also you have to show the record in data grid view. When you delete, then also it should have to show in data grid view. Okay. When you search, then also it should have to show in data grid view. Means all 4-5 operations, data grid view is common for showing operation, and also data grid view also operations are there. To overcome that one, what I want to do, I want to create one common method and call everyone. Insert click केला. बड़े insert केला वो तो insert केलेला data whatever the data you have inserted it should appear suddenly here ना huh? When I update also it should appear suddenly here also ना delete also update here also ना search also update here everything that is my requirement so that's what I am taking as a common method otherwise what I have to do everywhere for update also I have to write insert also I have to write same duplicate record duplicate tuples hello amma video will be there chill okay ठीक है तुम तो logic तुमच्याकडे means what I want to do I want to make a common logic boss so here I have the common logic so here let me get the connection now first of all I have to open the connection I need not open the connection why because everywhere I am going to call na here already connection is open mode na so everywhere in the update also I am going to open the connection in delete also I am going to open the connection in search also I am going to open the connections so here I don't want to open the connection I need SQL data adapter SDA is equal to new SQL data adapter and pass your query and connection what do you want to retrieve I want to retrieve select a star from what boss student select star from student and second parameter what boss connection I need connection na I made a connection as a global variable boss okay fine next after getting the connection I want to fill into data table I have to fill into data table visible okay fine now here what I have to do let me take one data table data binding now data table dt is equal to new data table so here in this data table I want to fill this SQL data adapter dot fill okay fill here okay boss and I have to fill the data now fill my SQL data adapter whatever the data has been returned from my bunch of records into my SDA that I have to fill into data now fill boss now iterate one by one now initially whenever this show method will be called I want to clear these existing records na? So first let me clear this data grid view so data grid view dot what I want to do data grid view 1 dot I want to get the rows and clear all the rows boss by using the method called clear very clear okay boss I cleared now I want to iterate all the elements by using for each now for each take this data fill into data row dr in dt dot rows of okay boss I fill now fine now first of all what I have to do the number of rows are available that means the number of rows which is available from the table so that means number of rows should be ready in my data grid view na first row from data grid view second row from table second row so this number of rows of table SQL table and rows of data grid view table should be same na so first of all get that count how will you proceed for that count so get the count by using data grid view so here data grid view dot so get the rows dot so I want to first of all let me get this counter int n why n row one row of table one row of data grid view return permission okay data grid view dot rows so take the rows now which row boss now suppose this is first row na so n may be first time 1 2 3 4 5 are you getting so this is the scenario next I want to get each cells so door what how I think cells And in these cells, I want to get the first cell, boss. First cell is name, na? First cell is what, boss? Name, na? So I want to get the first cell. Fine. What I took here, first I took or second I took? I do not even remember. I took here name. Now here, first. Now, what should I do, boss? Let me add the cells here. Let me add the cells. First row, 0 cell dot value. Pass the value. This is data grid view. Right, left hand side data grid view. Take the value from the SQL table and assign to whom? Data grid view cells, each cell. Now here I accept the table now. What is my DR? Here is my DR. Data reader. Huh? Data row, from the data row, I'll take one item. And the item is what, boss? I want to go by index based 0. Okay. Now next here. Dot. Get the value from here also. So how can I apply? By using toString, boss. Fine. This is for first. What I'll do? I'll go for all my items. Now here I'll go for 1. Here I'll go for 2. Here I'll go for 3. Here I'll go for 4. 5 columns are there, right? Well, how many columns? 5 columns. Okay. Now here I'll change 1, 2, here 3, here 4. Over, boss. Do you clear what I'm trying to do? समजते का काय करतोय मी? त्यांना नाही समजतंय? हा झाला. ठीक आहे. आता मी काय करेन तो white show call करेन. Here call as a show. Fine, boss. Are you getting? Now just try now. It is showing that some errors are there. Let me check the first error. What that error is? Cannot implicitly convert to string. Where is that? Which form? Where I modified? Form name. Where I modified, boss. So let me stop the execution now. Build. Stop debugging. And let me check the errors now. So here view, error list. So here form name. Let me take the form one. Where is my design? This is my form one, na? So what is the name of my form? Form one is there already. So why? Okay, I don't want this one. Let me run now. Now is any error still? No, warnings are there. Warnings are there. I don't want to care about the warnings. So this is my form, boss. This is my form here. So let me add here some data. So what is the data I want to insert? I want to insert suppose Patil. Next I want to insert what, boss? Our address as a Mumbai. Okay. Phone number is suppose 545454, or suppose semester is 3rd or 7th semester, and branch is what, boss? Computer science. Now click on insert. One record inserted successfully. Is it coming, boss? Do you clear? When I select, look at here. Now it is enabling all. It is enabling all. Huh? Now when you select this one, I want to fetch all the record and put here and directly modify. What is my scenario? What is my requirement? Are you getting, na? So you can now these operations you can implement in multiple forms, guys, as per the requirement of your projects. Okay. Fine now. Now this is working now. Akshay, Pramod, Patil. Fine. Okay, boss. Now fine. Now Let me stop. Okay, boss, it is stop now. Let me minimize. Let me go to my component and design. This is my design, boss. This is my design. And in this design, now we reach up to insert now. Let me go for update. Let me proceed for update now. Now when I hit update, when I hit the update, button 3 click, button 3 is the name of my update. Let me proceed for my button update now, boss. Okay. But before proceeding this button click, what is my requirement? Look at here, one more requirement, boss. One more requirement as per my view. Now, what are the items which is coming here? What are the items which is coming from here? It should change. It should automatically update here. समझते हैं क्या बोलते हैं मैं? क्या नहीं समझते? Are you getting, boss? What I mean to say? क्या नहीं समझते? Are you getting? So first of all, let me add those items into data grid view. So I want to go to data grid view first. So here data grid view. Where is my data grid view? Design. So here double click. Now data grid view cell content click is there. Sorry, boss. I want to click on mouse. I want to change the event. I want to change the event. Yes, I want to undo. Let me go to my design. Let me go to my designer and let me remove that event. Where is my event? Data grid view event. Definitely error should be there somewhere. I'll remove. Error means I remove that event, na? So where is that event? Are event, Baba? Show the error now, at least now. Remove केलं त्यानेच मी नाही remove केलं. चलो. मला काय देणं नाही. मला काय करायचं आहे? त्याला event apply करायचं आहे. So I want to change the event. Right click. No. Where is my data grid view? My data grid view is here, boss. So just select. Right click. Properties. I'll go to event now here. If you're not happy with double click, na, you can change the different events, boss. So where is the events? Alphabets. So categories, properties, and events. Okay. Now which event you want to apply? I want to apply mouse click event. I want to apply mouse click event. So mouse click, can you find anywhere? Mouse click. Okay. Mouse click event, boss. Let me search for that mouse click event. Where is that? Cell mouse click है तो मैम थे. Cell content click is coming. I don't want cell content click. I want mouse click. So here let me go for that mouse click event. Choose data source. From here also you can enable, add, delete everything, boss. Here also you can perform the same stuff. So let me proceed for now mouse click event. Let me search for that mouse click event somewhere. Let me write manually. Let me register. Let me write manually and change here. Okay. So instead of this one, let me go for mouse click. Control C. I'll keep the comment line because I have to search here. I have to search here and let me press here. What is my event name, boss? Mouse click. Okay. Let me search here from my application. Now this will show error. I agree, boss. So let me go to my designer and let me search for that. Control F, Control V. Search, find next. Mouse cell click is there, na? So I want to remove this cell click and I want to apply what, boss? Mouse click. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse click. Okay, boss. Fine. Now go to this, your form. Is an error still? Rename data grid view. Cell click content to mouse click. Okay, boss. Where is that? Where is my designer? Let me check. Mouse click. मोजू क्लिक नहीं रे बाबा, मोजू क्लिक नहीं, MOUS. Okay, let me change again. Let me go for double click. Fine. Here MOUSE, mouse click. Fine. It is asking me to change. So here change the box. Let me go to my designer. So here it will show the mouse click. It is showing that error. Why? What the error was? I haven't took that. I need to work with the mouse event here. So let me check mouse event I applied or not. So here I have to work with the data cell event args. Instead of that one I need mouse event args. So is mouse event args. Let me change from here also. Home. Control C, Control V. Cell event handler, I don't want cell event handler, I want data grid view. Mouse is there somewhere. Now, just I added this event was what this dot data grid view 1 dot mouse click assignment plus mouse click new system dot window dot forms dot mouse event handler this data grid view mouse click boss. So this is the event I applied on the mouse click. This is the event I applied on the mouse click boss. Okay, fine. Let me go to my design. Now here's my form event args. Now on this event args, what I want to do? Get the selected item from data grid view, get the selected row from data grid view and display in text boxes, and display where was text boxes. So how can I apply this one? So get first data grid view, get the first data grid view 1 dot. So selected rows, which index was 0 dot. I want to apply the cells over the selected rows. And the cells is first 0 cell, right? On the 0 cell, I want to take the value. I want to convert that value to string. Assign this value to text box 1. Text box 1 dot text. Do you clear, boss? What I'm trying to do? समजता काय करतो मी डेटा ग्रिड व्ह्यू मधनं काय केला? डेटा ग्रिड व्ह्यू मधनं सिलेक्टेड रो घेतला अगोदर. सिलेक्टेड रोज डॉट सेल, सिलेक्टेड रोज फ्रॉम दॅट रोज सेल घेतला, सेलमधनं व्हॅल्यू घेतली आणि स्ट्रिंग घेतली. ती स्ट्रिंग कोणाला असाइन केली? टेक्स्ट बॉक्स 1 ला असाइन केली. डू यू क्लियर? सो होल्ड दिस वन अगेन. So take this content, Control C, Control V, Control V, Control Z, Control V, Control V, Control V. Okay, boss. What I'll do is I'll change the cells indexes 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and here rows. All rows are belongs to 0, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, boss. Fine. Now when the data grid view mouse gets clicked, okay, after inserting, after build errors. Let me show that build errors. That's not the issue, boss. Implicitly cannot convert, it is showing that. That's not the issue. What will happen at last? जी शेवटची व्हॅल्यू ती ओव्हरलॅप होईल एकाच टेक्स्ट बॉक्सला. ओके. Not text box 5 box. Here I have to work with combo box, na? Okay. Here is what box? Combo box. Combo box 1 dot text. Combo box dot text box. So here next what I have to do was next the error or show. Let me check the errors now. Yes. So let me check the errors first. Cannot convert to string to forms. I think I removed that forms. Let me stop this one. कुठे गेले ते? View error list. So here is the error list and home. Okay, boss. Fine. Let me start now. Now I'm inserting was Ajay take K. I don't know who is that. Next let me insert. Let me insert here from Latur. Next phone number is 98765. Next semester year 8. Branch is what was? Branch is here civil. Insert. Ajay take K inserted and clear. Fine. Next when I select here, it should appear in appropriate text boxes, na? It is trying to select, but it was shown that error out of range exception boss. So in this case, what I have to do? I have to go for not my cells. I gone for wrong way. That wrong way is what was here. I have to go with the all are 0 cell, na? All are cell 0. So here is 0. All are 0. Now try now. Now here I am trying for what was Akash Gadway. Okay, address Pandarpur. Phone number okay, semester 8, and here I am inserting what was some electrical branch. Inserted. Now record appear. Now to select for Ajay Teke. Is it appearing? Now I can change the address from Mumbai now and directly update. Now I will delete. Select, update, delete. Are you getting, boss? What I'm trying to do? Can I samjhte hain ki but then no. Now it has raised the exception, boss. Why? Because last row was null. Do you clear? Okay, boss. Now let me go for update. Let me go for update. Manal sir, hold on. Now let me proceed for update now. Update. Okay. When I hit the update, I need same code to be update or delete. I need same code to be updated in my table. Okay. Update or delete both are having same code. Just query will change, boss. Not a great. Fine, boss. Where is my update? Update is here. Now let me go for update now. When you click on update, and this operation should be performed. So let me copy and paste, boss. So copy from here to here, and I'll remove unnecessary contents. Don't worry. So just right click, copy. I copied, boss, and I'm pasting to where? I'm pasting to here. Right click here and paste. So here is paste, boss. Pasted. Fine, boss. So here what I'll do when you click, already text box contains value, na? Because what I'm trying to do, look at here. When I select any one of the row from this text box, from this data grid view, it is automatically appearing here. Automatically appearing, na? So I need not to get the text from here now. Directly I can proceed now. Okay, either get the text already. Now before getting the text, now either you can proceed by using this way also. Already it contains text, na? It contains text. So same logic. So parse everything, and now here query will change, boss. What is the query now? Tell me the query. Update. Update. So here student set. What are you setting, boss? Setting all, na? At just you should not allow to change name. So we'll make at that time we'll make a text box one as a disable. Enable disable. We don't always allow them to change. So here text box one dot sorry when the but here problem may rise, guys. Problem in that case तो disable केला तो insert ला पण issue होऊ शकतो, delete ला पण issue होऊ शकतो. So at that time do not change the name, because I want to use the condition as name. I want to use the condition as a name, boss. So here let me change here all this stuff. Okay, let me go to home. Update student set values. Set values. Now what are the values you want to set, boss? I want to set address. I can able to change address, semester, name, not name, phone number, and branch. That these 4 fields. I need something unique, ना boss. एखादं काय तर काही पाहिजे की नाही. आपण इथं स्टुडंट आयडी घेतला असता, आपण स्टुडंट आयडी केलं असतं, बॉस. स्टुडंट आयडी घेतला नाही. I would either drop down, na? Okay, boss. Now, what do you want to set? I want to set the name. I want to set the name. So let me remove the values. So here, name is equal to, so single quote plus name. Fine. Fine. Next up, what do you want to change again? I want to change address, na? Column name, boss. Column name. What are the column names? Let me go to my server explorer. Let me go to student, view table data. So here S name, SADD is there, boss. S name, SADD is there. So here I had to work with the S name, SADD. Next, what I need? What is the column name, boss? Phone, same branch. Phone, same branch. So here I need phone, 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 assignment operator. Okay. Next term, here same assignment operator. Next term, I need branch. So here branch, 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 assignment operator. Now I will take that name at last. Now I will take that name at last. Control X. Are you getting? So I'll paste here, boss, where name, S name is equal to name. Remove this one also. Do you clear what I'm trying to do? समझता का काय करतो मी? What is my query, boss? My query is stringer query update student set SADD is equal to address, phone is equal to phone. Next, what I need, boss? Same is equal to I semester, branch is equal to branch, where S name is equal to the name. Fine. Now same here, boss. Student updated successfully. Updated successfully. Student not updated. Student updation failed. Student updation failed. Okay. Fine, boss. And you should have to show in where, boss? In show. And remaining are the same. So let me run now. But first of all, when you call that, when you call what, boss? No, first, but when the form is loaded, data gateway should show, na? It should show. So let me call here. Where is my? Let me, when the form gets loaded, let me call what boss? Let me call that show method. When my form gets loaded, where is my form load event? This is my form load. Here I will call as a show method. Show. Right? Right, boss? Okay. Now, next here. Coming, boss? Everything? At the time it was not coming now. Fine, it is coming now. Coming, boss? Okay, boss. Now, what I want to do? I want to update. Instead of take a Ajay Ram Rao Jadov. Okay. I took 50 size, guys. Varka 50 na. Update. Student updation failed. There might be issue, boss. What I done? Why? Because that name is not able to find out. That name is not able to find out. Very clear? Now Patil. Patil is there. I want to move from Mumbai to Karachi. No. Somewhere. Hey, Karachi bakery, yeah. Okay. Thane. Okay, New Mumbai. Instead of Thane. Okay. And I want to change what was mobile number 987654. Okay. Semester now is 7 to 8 because geo number comes na. Because then every time semester will change. And branch cannot change, boss. Update. Now exception is what, boss? The connection was not closed. Connection is in current open state. So let me close now first. You are showing that connection close is missing. So every time I have to close the connection, boss. Every time I have to close the connection. So stop the last time. Here connection open. Now connection here. After show, I have to call what, boss? Con.close. Okay. So here con.close. Control C. So here button 3 clicked. So here also let me close connection. Connection close. Here also not required. Show is calling automatically. Next here not required. So okay, boss, then I did my level bus. Next here. Okay, connection open. Fine, boss. Let me start again. Hey, error. No, warnings are there. I don't care about the warnings. I want to change to Ramteke. To whom, boss? Latur to Solapur. Okay. And he's in 8th semester, na? Okay, fine. Update. Okay. Updated successfully. Updated. Kude. Atta alli na? Permission given. Okay. Ajay take it to Solapur. Can we find Solapur here? Huh? That means what I done? Show method is useful for everywhere, na? So insert also show, update also show, delete also show, out of range. I double click that one, so it is showing that error. Actually, I have to click the cell. Insert also show, update also show, and delete also show, search also show, form load also show. So in that case, I took show method everywhere, boss. So otherwise, I have to replicate the data every time. Now next, now update or delete now. Let's proceed for now delete, boss. So here my delete button. Hit the double delete button. Now copy and paste, boss. What copy and paste? So this code I want to copy. So select code because I'm so lazy in typing. So let me copy. Right click. Copy. If you know copy paste, boss, we can become programmer. Control V. Okay. Now what I will do? I will delete now. I will delete that record. What I need? I need only what will be unique? Name may be unique, mobile number may be unique, boss. So on which basis you want to delete? Tell me. Name? Okay, boss. Change the query now. So here delete student. Where? Delete student. Delete from student. Just where, boss? I need where clause. That's it. So remove this all the query. So where up to delete. Okay, delete from student where yes name is equal to name. Now I need all this stuff, branch and semester and phone and address. Do you need boss? No, I don't need boss. Okay, do you clear? Fine. Fine boss, delete from student. So here instead of updated, deleted successfully. Here deletion failed. Fine boss. So just now launch build errors. Let me check the build errors. So now it is showing the build error now. Again form I made comment, it will remove. Again replicating boss. I'm by mistake I did something. That is taking the name as a data grid view. So where is that my form? Let me launch again. Okay boss, fine. Now I will change to Akash. Okay, Pandrapur to Pandrapur. Let him be Pandrapur. Akash, how can I change? Okay, I will delete from Akash. Okay, delete. One student deleted successfully, Akash Gadve. Now here Akash Gadve is there. Now just hit the OK. Akash Gadve will go off. Okay, gone now? Okay boss. Insert or, update or, delete or. Okay. So here I want to insert something, some new number. Suppose now I will modify now. Any boss based on anything. Okay. Address is, suppose this is Umarga. Now phone number is what boss? No. Fine boss. Dummy number. Otherwise unnecessary call it. Branch, semester, computer science boss. Insert one student registered successfully, Yogesh. Okay, it is there. Are you getting? Exception is raising because you are clicking on cell. You are clicking on cell. So I haven't written any event on the cell boss. I haven't written any event on cell. That's the issue. Fine. Now what I want to do? What I want to do was refresh. Execute SQL. Okay, coming boss. It is ready now. Now search is there. Now what is left now? Search. Search is there, na? Now search is there. So here double click. Text change, na? Text change. Let me go to my text change event. In this text change, I need same code as select. So copy paste code. Easy है ना programming? क्या हो गया है? हाँ? बेकार आहे. कुठला गाढव आहे रे तू? स्वतः बेकार असता इथे दुनियामध्ये. मूर्ख कुठले. नाचता येत नाही नांगण वाकडं माहिती सो तुम्हाला प्रत्येकाला. Idiots. Okay boss. Let me have this event. I want to work with what boss? First data adapter now. I want to work with what boss? Data adapter now. So get the data adapter now. Where is my data adapter? When the form gets loaded, in the show method is there. Show method is there, na? Where is the show method? Same. Now just go to show method and fill your data grid view. Okay. Where is the show method? Button 2, show method. Button 3, show method. I want to use this table only. This copy and paste into search box. Okay. So here copy and paste. Okay. Control C. Where is my text box change listener? Text box change, na? Here paste boss. Here is paste. Text box text changed. Okay. Fine boss. First of all, I have to open the connection now. First of all, I have to open the connection. So open the connection. Con dot open. Now connection is open mode. SQL data adapter. Select star from student. What I will change? Where based on student name. What I said to you by student name, na? Okay, boss. So here I want to go for where name is equal to single quote. Name is equal to single quote plus plus text box 5 dot text dot toString. Over boss. Over. The project is ready now. समझ लगा? This in the case of what boss? Where name, exact name match झालं तरच. Otherwise, I can search for contents like where name like where name not equal to where name like. Now here I will go boss. Where name like clause is there or not? Yes. Like means percentage, yes percentage. So yes is the value boss. Whatever the name contains, yes, these all names will display directly to you. समजताय का क्या नाही समजताय मध्ये सगळे काय प्रॅक्टिस करता काय म्हणते बीएमएस मध्ये. So here where name like what do you want to search? Shall we search a mobile number or shall we apply both clauses? You can apply OR clause also. In the OR clause, what do I have to do? Look at here. I can search by using his branch, or I can search by using phone number, or I can search by using address, or I can search by using name. So apply OR clause. We will search in two contents. We will search in two contents. If you apply OR clause, your wish boss. तुम्हाला जे apply करायचं का? Where name like. Okay. Next. Now here again मला आणखीन काय लागेल or मी काय करणार आहे आणखीन एक ऍड करणार आहे. कोणता or boss? I want to apply the one more condition. Which condition boss? Here plus where name like ऐवजी like ला मला काय करावं लागेल बाबा? Where first I will go for the name boss. First I will go by using name only. Where name like I have to give the space here. Like clause ला काय येतो? Person येतो ना? Like clause ला काय येतो? Person येतो. Okay. Person is what boss? Where name like here percent, and here I have to append again plus double quote, single quote, double quotes. No. Where here single quote should appear here boss. Here is single quote. Okay. Here is percentage. Fine. Do you clear what I am trying to do? Select a star from student where name like what it contains? Single quote. Search from both the sides. Either starts or ends or contains. If I apply here percent, then ends with given value. If I apply percent here, then starts with yes. What is the value? Do you clear? And if you apply both sides, starts, ends, wherever. Do you clear boss? Okay, now let me proceed now. So let me launch my application. Build errors. Let me check the errors first. Where is yes? Don't worry. That yes is coming from text box. Amma. That yes is coming from text box. I give an example for yes, na. Should I go for statically? Dynamically, boss. Dynamically. Now, to whom you want to search? I want to search for P. Raise exception. Very good, boss. Unhandled. Let me check the exception now. Invalid column name. Array, yes name is there. Oh, that yes, you are saying. Okay. I thought it was example name. Name, not name like. Yes name like. Yes name like. So, what is my column? Let me verify once again. Right click. Show table data. Yes name is there, boss. Right. The lady is right. So, let me execute now. So, after executing, now here P. Okay. Now next, I removed na. Oh, again issue boss. because connection always it was in open mode. Connection always it was in open mode. That's the issue. So I can do you understand what is the concept behind this one? Huh? Next, what I want to do, boss? So next, क्या बोल रहा था? MDI. So like now I want to work with MDI now. So right click here, right click on the project, add, new item. So MDI, where is my MDI? Visual C Sharp. So search for your Windows forms. So here MDI parent. This is my college name. CSMSS student ERP. Okay, student CSMSS only, boss. Okay, or CSMSS MDI. Okay, hit the add. Now my MDI is ready now. So what I want to do, I want my own menus. So I don't want this tool strip. So I deleted. So this is also delete. So here, boss, I want to apply student. Okay, student. Okay, next I want to apply what, boss? Here employee. Okay, teaching staff. Here non-teaching staff. Next, what here I want to add, boss? Transportation. Okay, next I want to add what, boss? Account section. I want to add here exam section. I want to add here bus. Okay, boss. Any student, I want to here new student. मी एकच फॉर्म तयार केलाय, don't worry. Okay, here open student or view student. Next delete student. This is for demonstration sake, boss. Next I want to go for edit student. Now here teaching staff. Here computer science. Next here mechanical. Next here electrical. Next here civil. Next here what, boss? Electronics, etc. Okay, fine, boss. Here non-teaching registrar. Next here supervisor. Next here lab technician or lab attender. Next here office boys or tune. Okay, boss. Transportation in charge. Okay, buses route. Okay, schedule bus. Okay, maintenance bus. Okay, maintenance bus. Account, boss. Fees. Next let me add for what, boss? Fees, college fees. So here college fees. So here exam fees. Next here what, boss? Hostel fees. Okay, bus fees, miscellaneous. Okay, exam, internal class test. ज्यांनी कोणी कॉलेजचं ERP घेतलं ना त्यांच्यासाठी सगळं थोडे फॉर्म्स पाहिजे त्याच्यामध्ये. ओके, इंटरनल क्लास टेस्ट, युनिव्हर्सिटी एक्झाम. ओके, शेड्यूल, रिझल्ट. Everywhere insert, update, delete, view is there, na? Same operations in every form. Okay, result. Okay boss, log out. Log out. तुम्हाला बसावं लागायचं तो हे संपवायचं का उद्या घ्यायचं बाकीचं उद्या घ्यायचं ढेकळा उद्या उद्या फोन घ्यायला लागले जा तिकडं नेक्स्ट फाईन बॉस ओके what I'll do let me call my student form let me call my form 1 f1 is equal to new form 1 boss fine I created a form 1 boss I want to set this form to my MDI I want to set this form to my MDI boss how can I set to set the form to your MDI what will you use f1 dot hey I want to set to child na I have to make it as a child so here what I will use f1 dot MDI parent is equal to this now here f1 dot show is there okay boss fine I need one more form boss for login purpose I need one more form for login purpose now here new item now in this item now here what was MDI no Windows form so here what is the form name login okay login.cs what I need here hey चिडचिड नका करू रे शांत बसा बरं तुम्हाला लूज सोडलं की तुम्ही टूट करता जास्त so I need here labels boss I need here labels label 1 2 3 okay control check now here I need those labels let me hold this label and put in my location boss so here label 2 label 3 okay now let me change the label now here let me remove this label text control A तुम्ही शांत बसता का login okay next what I need here boss I need what I need here username okay username I need here password here also you can apply from database boss here also you can apply from database shall I go for database okay boss fine so here text box where is my text box here is my text box 1 2 okay I got two text boxes so one is here fine okay boss fine now let me change the width so this is the width so now let me make this text as a what should I to keep here text password character and apply star and apply star here and you can change the login width and height and font everything let me change the foreground color as a custom color let me go for red color and the font is what was here is the font and in this font I need bold I need modern I need the font size what was 24 okay boss fine so let me take one button here is one button here I'll go for login here I'll change the button name is what was login so here is a login okay login boss okay when I hit the login some action should perform na okay boss I'll take the code from my what boss from my database I will check Akshay and password as a phone I'll check Akshay and password as a phone boss so here now I will remove this form 1 now I'll go for now what boss login okay now login form designer now this designer also not required to me so let me go to my form 1 design this is also not required I need this code for SQL data adapter now here name like na I want what boss I want connection na that's it if it is available send to second page boss that is my requirement control V I have to create SQL connection here and I have to import what boss namespace so using system.data okay using system.data.sql client So what I need here, SQL connection. Let me copy and paste. Page up. So here what boss? So here I need connection boss. So here I need connection, control V. Okay boss, everything is ready now. So here I need text box 1 dot text, not like I need assignment operator. Okay, here let me remove these percentage. Do you clear? And phone. Okay, and instead of phone, should I go for some other property? Server Explorer, right click, student, view, show table data, and here should I go for, okay, location boss, SADD for simplicity purpose. Okay, login. Here instead of phone, SADD is equal to single quote plus text box 2 dot text dot what I need was two string. Okay, now here if it contains records, you will get the data grid, na? If it does not contains, what you will get? You won't get anything. Let me remove this one. So here, if what I'll do boss, in the case of login, if dt dot rows, sir, yeah, na? dt dot rows dot, yeah, please come, count is greater than or equal to 1. Okay, just 5 minutes, suppose I guess. I need your projector. So I need MDI parent boss. I need here MDI parent, na? So what is my MDI parent? CSMSS MDI is there. CSMSS MDI. So here CS is equal to new CSMSS MDI. Okay boss. Fine. Now here CS dot show. Now here what I'll do? This dot hide. Hide is there? Fine boss. What? Now let me launch now. Build error. Let me check the error boss. End of the file expected. Somewhere extra bracket I took. So let me check here. So this is for bracket. So this is for this bracket. This is for if. This is for my method. And this may be extra. This may be the extra. Let me stop this one. So here, let me stop now. Okay boss, all the errors are gone. Again, show the error boss. Show the error. Oh, again error. The name status bar. I have to remove these all the stuff boss. This is not required to me because I removed some of the contents, na? I removed. So here, let me check the error in error list. So again, status bar. So let me remove all this. So let me launch now. Again errors are there. Very good. Let me remove the errors. Error dakpuri baba, error dakpuri. View, show errors, error list. So here errors. Okay boss, these are the warnings. I don't care about the warnings. So let me start my execution now. This is my login. So which user ID is present boss? Let me check. Where is my table? Server Explorer, view, Server Explorer. I need table. Here is my database. Now Patil is there from Mumbai. Patil, Mumbai. Okay. Now here P-A-T, capital P boss, capital P-A-T-I-L, Patil from M-U-M-B-A-I, Mumbai. Login, exception. Okay boss, dt.fill, unhandled exception, view details, and unclose the quotation mark after character string Mumbai. Okay, boss. I think I forget to close the single quote. So where is Mumbai? So here I need Mumbai, boss. Plus double quote. Here single quote is what required. Okay. Again, let me launch. Again error. Where boss? Oh. Stop execution. एक तो उशीर झाला आहे परत तुमचा सोडायचा क्लास. Okay. Fine, boss. I don't think so. There won't be any error now. Okay, boss. Now, what is the name? Patil, and password is mumbai. So hit the login. Now, can you see here? Can you see here, boss? Okay, fine. Now here, when it's student, teaching staff, computer science, registrar, and these all are items. Exam fees, log out. Log out means it should close, na? I applied for new student only. Na? So here, now this all the scenario, boss. Look at here. Can you see? Can you see, boss? Huh? Same form should appear here only. समजताय का? असे मल्टिपल फॉर्म टाकायचे. परत if I go for student, some view, हा view चा येईल फक्त इथं. If you want to insert चा येईल फक्त. Delete चा येईल. Teaching staff, परत branch wise, registrar, all the operations. Be clear, boss? What I'm trying to teach you? हाँ? क्या समझते क्या नहीं? हाँ? समझते हैं ना? Okay, boss, fine. What I want to do? Okay, तुमची attendance घ्यायची मला. Let me have your attendance, please. Pen, please. Excuse me. Start from 1. 1, 7, 10, 13, 14, 16, 21, 27, 28, 45, 48, 55, 57, 59, 65, 67. Absent numbers are 48. झोपले तुम्ही सगळे झालं कुठले 1, 7, 10, 13, 14, 16, 27, 28, 45, 57, 59, 67. Okay, fine. So complete your project as per your requirement, as per the changes. Okay, fine, boss. So I will upload soon.